Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know whether there are any maximum limits on money that you can send or receive through the Zable app or not. So the maximum limit on how much money you can send or receive through the Zable app may vary depending on several factors, including your account type, verification status, and regulation governing financial transaction in your region. Now, to find it out, you have to first of all go ahead and open up your application, and then you could review the app's terms of services, FAQ, or help section for the information on transaction limit as well. Or else, the fastest way of getting to know about it is to reach out to a Zable's customer support team directly to inquire about the transaction limit and any other related questions you may have. Or else you could also go ahead and explore the options or settings within the app that may provide information on transaction limit or account restrictions or not. Now, Zable may notify if you exceed certain transaction limit or encounter a restriction when attempting to send or receive money. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.